Welcome, brothers and nephew, to the homestead. What were you driving? What were you driving though? He's walking like an old man.
He didn't want to fall. I fell the other day and hurt my shoulder somewhat.
Good one. Well, at least it's nice and warm out. What? Yeah, I'll have to clear some, I guess, so I can back up and jackknife it or something.
We can push it back over that way.
Yeah, it's actually not very heavy yet. We'll figure it out. It's still running. It's open. She's open. I don't walk it around here. Too warm. So this is Brother Robin.
Hello, YouTube.
This is nephew Christian.
Hello.
And the slowpoke is Uncle Tony. I mean, Brother Tony. Well, I guess he's kind of an uncle to somebody. What the hell's taking so long?
What ice?
Oh.
Can't afford to fall. When it falls hard.
Yeah.
Yeah, the trees are blocking up the sun.
Okay, well.
Oh, there's muffins.
That's it.